Pardot is Salesforce's dedicated B2B marketing automation platform, designed to help businesses nurture leads, streamline marketing campaigns, and optimize sales pipelines. In this review, I'll take you through a detailed walkthrough of the platform, covering everything from its core features to usability, pricing, and integrations. If you're considering Pardot, this video will provide you with the insights you need to decide whether it's the right tool for your business. The first thing you notice when logging into Pardot is its clean, professional interface. The dashboard provides an overview of your recent activities, including campaign performance, email engagement, and lead interactions. The UI is intuitive, especially for those already familiar with Salesforce products, though new users may face a learning curve. One of Pardot's biggest strengths is its robust email marketing automation. You can create dynamic email campaigns with custom templates, automated drip sequences, and A/B testing. The drag-and-drop email builder makes designing emails simple, while built-in analytics provide detailed insights into open rates, click-through rates, and conversion tracking. Lead management is another powerful feature. Pardot offers advanced lead scoring and grading, allowing businesses to prioritize high-value prospects based on their engagement level and fit. With automation rules, you could automatically assign leads to sales reps, trigger follow-up emails, or adjust scoring criteria in real time. Pardot integrates seamlessly with Salesforce CRM, making it easy to sync marketing and sales data. This ensures that sales teams have up-to-date information on prospect behavior, helping them engage leads more effectively. The two-way sync between Pardot and Salesforce also enables marketers to track the entire customer journey, from the first interaction to conversion. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video. Beyond email marketing and lead management, Pardot offers advanced automation workflows. Users can create multi-step engagement programs to nurture leads over time. The visual workflow builder makes it easy to design complex automation sequences based on user behavior and interactions. Pardot also includes robust reporting and analytics. The platform provides deep insights into campaign performance, lead attribution, and ROI tracking. Marketers can generate reports on specific email campaigns, landing pages, or overall marketing performance to optimize future efforts. While Pardot is feature-rich, it does come with some drawbacks. One common concern is pricing. As part of the Salesforce ecosystem, Pardot is more expensive compared to competitors, like HubSpot and ActiveCampaign. Additionally, while the integration with Salesforce is seamless, users who don't already use Salesforce may find the platform less intuitive or more challenging to set up. Customer support is another factor to consider. While Salesforce offers extensive documentation and a community forum, some users report delays in getting direct support from Pardot's team. However, the platform does provide a range of self-help resources, including webinars, guides, and training programs. Overall, Pardot is a powerful tool for B2B marketers looking to automate and optimize their lead generation and nurturing processes. If your company is already using Salesforce, the integration makes it a compelling choice. However, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly alternative or a solution with a gentler learning curve, there are other options worth considering. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth software reviews and marketing insights.